In this video, I'm going to tell you about some of the basic materials required for shading and sketching. So if you want shading, then I think these are some of the pencil. These are some of the most cheapest pencil you should try. So according to me, the best one is this art line because it is rich in color. The cost of is rupees 70. If this is not available in your nearby store, in your nearby stationery store, then you don't need to worry. This Camlin brand is also very good. Actually, one video will come. I think three. No, actually, one video will come about this pencil, and I will show you something still life drawing with this. Okay, so and the is Camlin brand. So it is of rupees 45, and this is okay, this is 45 and this is 50 because it has 10B pencil, but this has no 10B pencil. The 10B pencil is the most darkest pencil, so 5 rupees more for this. So it is of rupees 45 and this is 50. So this is again the most cheapest pencil. It is of rupees 45, you can see here, and it is a Faber-Castell drawing pencil and it is very good. If you will ask me that which is more good, then I will recommend you this, but for any reason this is not available, then you can use this drawing pencil. It is also very good, Faber-Castell. If you have, then you don't need to worry, you can use this also, but according to me, this is best, and if you don't have this, then you should buy this Camlin. Okay, so let's keep them apart side. The next thing which comes is that blending. So for blending, you can use any of the brushes you can see. So these are some of the brushes which I have, and these are used for blending. Blending means mixing. I mean, if the colors that you have to mix the colors, not colors, I mean the pencils, graphite. So this is also very good. You don't need to buy this much, you know, you don't need to buy this much of brushes. You need only one, and if you have one, if you have the used, I mean very old, then you can use any of the drawing, any of the brushes, paint brushes, which are which will be used, because जैसे कि ये बहुत ही खराब है, this is in very very bad quality, so I always use this only. So you can also use any of the used or the waste. Okay, so next thing that comes is the eraser. So you can use any of the eraser. Actually, I don't have the kneadable eraser, but if you have the kneadable eraser, then it's okay. If you don't have, no need to worry, this will also do your work. So the next thing that comes is scale. It is optional. Suppose किसी किसी में ज़रूरत पड़ जाता है, but in majority of cases it is not used, so I will not count it as basic material. So the next thing that comes is the blending stump. Actually, I don't have blending stump right now because I have lost, but blending stump is also used. But if you don't have blending stump, then you don't need to worry, brush will also do the same work. Okay, so thank you, let's meet you in next video. Actually, आज हुआ जिस दिन अपलोड हुआ उस दिन देख रहे हैं, then after 2 days one video will come about stating, I mean still life के बारे में one video आएगा, and after 2 days one more video will come about still life, and after that 2 days मतलब 2 दिन बाद, फिर 2 दिन बाद, फिर 2 दिन बाद, like this. Okay, one more video will come, and after that one more video will come after still about still life. And if you are watching this video बहुत समय के बाद देख रहे हैं, मतलब कोई दूसरे डेट पे देख रहे हैं, then you can find this on in the playlist made named still life drawings. So thank you.